Now imagine. One day, you wake up in a world without death. Your loved ones are always with you, a body untouched by time, an endless life. Yes, you are immortal. But what if immortality isn't as innocent as you think? Those who know about the immortal jellyfish Turritopsis dohoney, which we talked about in a previous shot, will immediately understand what I mean. But for those who don't know, I'll give you a brief overview. This jellyfish can reverse aging and return to its youth. And it can even repeat this cycle an unlimited number of times. So, nature gives us a clue that immortality might be biologically possible. But there's a question. In this cycle, are we really talking about life or just existence? Humanity has been working for years to solve this mystery and achieve immortality. But the experiments conducted on this path bring not only scientific, but also ethical and existential questions. Evolution tells us a story, a constantly changing struggle to survive and reproduce. But death is inevitable in this story. The human body works like a machine programmed to die. Telomeres are the life clocks of our cells. As they shorten, we age, and eventually we die. Why am I telling you this? Because if immortality is found, this natural cycle will be broken, and the fundamental dynamics of evolution may change completely. So, without death, how will we maintain this balance? When scientists managed to transfer the memories of one mouse to another, it was seen as a revolution. But the result? Chaos. The mouse was caught between new and old memories. It couldn't understand who it was. Its behavior became uncontrolled. Imagine, one day you transfer your consciousness to another body, but the real person in your body isn't you. I think that sounds pretty scary. Now, I'm going to tell you about another study that rivals science fiction movies. This research aims to freeze people and bring them back to life in the future. Yes, you heard that right. Today, hundreds of people are being kept in cryonics tanks. Cryonics is the process of freezing the bodies or brains of deceased people at extremely low temperatures and storing them in the hope of bringing them back to life in the future. One of the largest companies providing services in this field is the US-based Alcor Life Extension Foundation. Apart from this, there are companies like the Cryonics Institute, Tomorrow Biostasis, and Cryonics. Their goal is to bring these bodies back to life in a future where medical technology has advanced. However, this research contains controversial and frightening claims. For example, there are allegations that a body stored at a cryonics company was accidentally destroyed and the organs thawed and completely deteriorated. It has also been reported that in Alcor's past, an employee revealed that mistakes were made in the transportation of bodies and that chemical leaks occurred. Whether these discussions are true or not is unknown. But the idea that these bodies waiting under the ice will one day come back to life triggers both hopes and fears. Do you think this is really possible, or will it remain just a scientific myth? Another topic is genetic manipulation, stopping aging. Science is looking for immortality directly in our genes. The idea that it might be possible to stop cells from aging by lengthening telomeres was promising for scientists. But things didn't go as planned again. The results of these genetic experiments were frightening. In a laboratory experiment, they tried to make the cells of a mouse divide infinitely, but this caused the cells to uncontrollably turn into a tumor. Instead of immortality, the mouse was condemned to an accelerated death. This asks us an important question. Is immortality really a solution? Or are we causing bigger problems by disrupting the order of nature? Another groundbreaking idea is to transfer our minds to a machine. One of the craziest ideas for immortality. Can you imagine your mind continuing to live independently of your body one day? Yes, this also brings scary consequences. All the digital data of a person was uploaded to an artificial intelligence program. At first, this AI was imitating that person, but over time, it started making its own conscious decisions. At this point, the question arose, is the mind transferred to a machine still that person, or is this just a simulation? Immortality, humanity's oldest dream, but this dream can be much more complex and dangerous than we think. Maybe death is what gives life meaning. If immortality were found, do you think it would be a boon to humanity or a disaster contrary to human nature? Will humans bring about their own end? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, because this story will be completed with you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this content. See you in the next video.